Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Riding on Ruby. Well, today I thought I'd do something a little bit different. Digging around in the shed, I found my old electric bike. Bought this thing about 15 years ago, and the first winter came, wasn't thinking. I put it in the shed with the battery and killed it. So I've been using it on and off as just a regular pedal bike. But let's check this out. There it is. Ruby's little sister, Rosie. Now this thing back about 15 years ago was like $900, but we were looking through Walmart.com one day and we saw this on clearance for like $2.99. So we decided, hey, let's buy that. It might be fun to ride. So it's a E-Z-GO iZip electric bike. All right. One of the things that it does is, you can see here, the handlebars fold down. Here's a little hinge here. The bike actually folds in half. And if you want, you could take the seat completely out. It's got the little rack where you could put like a milk crate, you know, to put some food or whatever you want in there. All right, over here, if you can see that, you have the throttle on just this little part. And then you have a gauge full, half, and low that lights up when you're riding. It has about a 20-mile range on a charge, and it goes about 18 miles an hour. And when we first got it, you know, you had to charge it like all day. But this thing really cranked, you know, it was crazy. People would come over and be like, oh my God, let me try that out. You know, you're going down the street, people are out in their neighborhood looking around like, what's this guy doing? You know, and you're pedaling it like backwards or something. It's crazy. It's like a 1-speed, really low, but you know, it's really awesome. So now here's the battery. That long bag probably weighs like about 15 pounds or so. And then it slides down into this little area right here, and then you plug it in with that. And then of course the motor's all built into the hub of the wheel. So I mean, it was a nice investment, but you know, like I said, I killed it. So for years and years I've been saying, hey, you know, one of these days I'm gonna take it apart and I want to see what's in there. You know, like maybe it's got like a couple of 6-volt batteries or something, you know, like do you use for lanterns or something like that? Well, so anyways, let's go take a look. All right. Oh, here it is. 2 small motorcycle batteries. That's just basically what they are. Oh, just the 2 little leads on there. And you know, maybe for like a lawnmower, you know, motor that has a startup, or you know, maybe a scooter. So the numbers are on the other side. I ended up checking it out at Walmart's and at Amazon, and both places do sell. It's a 12-volt 12 AH, I guess that's amp hour, 20-hour batteries. Now I thought, being a, you know, electric vehicle or something, it's gonna have some fancy high-tech batteries in there, or you know, something crazy like that, you know, or some like special type of rechargeable batteries. Nope, just 2 motorcycle batteries. So I think that I found one at Walmart's like $53 for 2 of them. But I have to get out and I gotta pull them out again and measure them and find the exact measurements, because they gotta fit inside this box here and then be able to close it after you tuck all the wire in. And there's also a 40 right here. That's a 40 amp fuse, but that's good. I checked it, that's in good shape. So basically it's just a matter of replacing these 2 batteries. So that's not a bad deal, but unfortunately, you know, like most of you probably know, I'm a school bus driver and I get laid off for the summer. And because I went to work every single day last year, Social Security punishes me by making me pay back the money I made too much. I made like almost $4,000 over the earn limit, and I got to pay him back like $1,902. So for June, July, August, and September, they're keeping my check. So right now I'm just scrapping by with the unemployment money, but you know, maybe like sometime in September, October, maybe I could pop the new batteries in there and still take it for a couple little spins around. Do like a motorcycle video on a little electric bike. That'd be funny. Make a little like comedy out of that. So there it is, people. That's what's at least, these are the batteries that they had at least 15 years ago. Here's the little plug. Little warning. Clean, green, no gasoline. Wow, that sounds like some kind of a jingle or something. And this is from, hold on, I gotta tap the thing so I can see. It's from Carrier Electronic Drive. So there it is. Of course, you can see that, made in China. So it's an iZip bike. I mean, it's pretty good. It works as a regular bike. You could pedal it. It's like maybe like first gear on a, or maybe, yeah, probably more like first gear, like on a 10-speed. So there you have it, people. That's what's inside an electric battery from like 10, 15 years ago. Just two little lawnmower type batteries. Nothing special. Not like back in the day you had normal batteries and then you had the special rechargeable batteries. Well, not with this one. And don't forget to say hi to Ruby. Hey, Ruby. No riding today because we got other things to do. Man, that sun bouncing off the tank makes it look like it's like orange or something. Like there's like orange flames on there. Wow, no matter where you go, it's still on there. Wow, that picks up the sun crazy. Wow, look at that. All right, people. Hey, if anybody out there has a 94 Dyna, go check out Red Ryder's newest video. She's got these rocker box covers, derby cover, and I think a part of a primary cover. They're all sculled out. Whoever made these things ended up doing a really good job. They're like pretty awesome. Go check out the video. She's gonna give them away in a raffle that just started. She's gonna go like 2 weeks and then take a week to figure it out. So go check out her video. If you got a 94 Dyna, I mean, it's the Evo motor, so I'm sure you could probably go several years with that same motor that they might fit. So go check it out. You know, do what she tells you. You got to do a couple things, and maybe she'll pick your name and you could get some pretty awesome skull. You know, definitely one of a kind. And nobody else is ever going to have something like that. All right, and don't forget, go check out Hippie Trev in Australia. He's a good buddy, so check out him. He's a really cool mate. All right, people, thanks for watching. And I'll keep you updated at some point if I get the new batteries and put them in and if it actually works. All right, as usual, be safe, be happy, be healthy, and peace out. Woo.